Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Wet n Wild Megalast lipsticks, and as you guys know, Wet n Wild has recently launched on Nykaa. I'm sure all of you guys know Wet n Wild, and we have been hearing about it as a drugstore brand which is super affordable and has amazing products from a very long time. So nice that Nykaa is bringing in all these products. Today I'm wearing one of the lip shades called Spiked with Rum. I'm going to quickly tell you guys about the lipstick. These are super soft on the lips, and the formula is amazing. These are not matte lipsticks, but this is how they look. They're not super shiny or glossy, but they do have a little bit of this sheen once you apply them, and they're very moisturizing, and the formula is really good. They glide on very smoothly on lips. I really like the formula. Now talking about the cons, first thing is that they do not last throughout the day. And they are not transfer proof, but they do transfer on to other things or coffee mugs and basically anything, but then the stain doesn't go away completely when you eat or anything. They do last for like 4 to 5 hours, which is pretty good considering that they are not a matte formula, because they do last quite long, and in fact sometimes the stain does stay on even after lunch or something, and you can easily reapply. So the only con is that they are not transfer proof, and apart from that there is one more con about the packaging. They have these open lid sort of a packaging, so this is how you open it up, and once you close it, the lipstick sort of comes out of the bullet. It's like there is a very good chance that you might smash it when you're closing it, and I have done that quite a bit. So as you can see, this lipstick, it has stains all over the plastic wrap. The packaging is quite fine, and you know, not super sturdy, but it's fine. The only thing is that you might smash something. So I have these two shades which I'm going to swatch, and this is Spiked by Rum. This is how it looks. It's a very pretty nudish brown color, and it'll look really good on Indian skin tones and pretty much any skin tone actually. It'll be perfect for fair to medium to deeper skin tones. It makes for a really nice pinkish nude. The next shade that I have is this gorgeous red shade. It looks so beautiful, and it has orange tones to it. It is that blue toned red, and it is amazing. I am gonna swatch it here, and yeah, as you can see, it is just a very beautiful shade. This is called Purty Persimmon, and it's just an amazing shade. This will go really well with fair to medium skin tones. I don't think it'll go really well with deeper skin tones, but there are a lot of shades available, so you will find something that will go perfectly well with your skin tone. These are the only two shades that I have, so I just wanted to swatch and show you guys, and also talk about the formula and how I like them. I've been really liking them, and they're priced very decently well. They are about $2.99, so that's pretty amazing. So if you are looking for some affordable lipsticks which have hydrating formula and which do stay up decently well, then I think these are something you must try. I hope you like the video, and do let me know in the comments below if you like me to swatch or review any other products or any other lipsticks, and make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any videos. I do a lot of fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos, and also do find me on all my social media handles so that we can stay in touch, and also you can see me swatching and reviewing some products there as well. I do talk about where I'm shopping and what else I've been doing, and you can also see me styling everything that I purchase. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this review was useful. See you in the next video. Bye.